This is Honor X6, and in today's video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I would like to demonstrate that you can enable and configure the Fingerprint Unlock method. So launch settings, then enter the security category. In here tap at the, not security category, rather biometrics and password, then fingerprint ID. Then choose what additional or backup screen lock method you would like to go alongside the biometrical one and set it up. After the additional screen lock method was successfully enabled, turn on the unlock device toggle over here and start adding your fingerprint. The scanner is located at the side power button, so just continuously lay and lift your finger onto the sensor until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned. You can, use the visual clues in order to understand what part of your fingerprint is yet to be enrolled and focus on, adding it. As you can see right now, the system is asking for me to enroll the edges of my fingerprint, so that's exactly what I'm doing now. So the fingerprint was successfully added. Now I can start using it to unlock the screen. So let's give it a few test tries and see how well and fast it works. So works somewhat decently. The next feature that I wanted to share you can find at the display category of settings. So let's enter it. It is called the eye comfort mode, and once activated, as you can see, it tints the screen amber, reduces the blue light, which results in the significant decrease in the eye fatigue. So inside the option page you can, adjust its intensity, make it less warm or as warm as it possibly can be. You can also set up the automated schedule for this mode to be enabled and disabled at certain time frames. And as a bonus, you also have the ebook mode, by enabling which, as you can see, the interface turns black and white, and basically just the perfect solution for people who read a lot of text using their phone and feel like their eyes are getting tired way too quickly. So this will reduce that. The next option that I wanted to share, tip that I have, is how you can change the screen or system navigation type. So as you could have noticed, up until this point in the video, I've been navigating through the interface via gestures, but if you are an old school person and would like to do those manipulations through digital buttons rather than gestures, you can absolutely change that by going for the system and updates category of settings. In here you'll find the system navigation and just select the 3-key navigation. And as you can see, the 3 digital buttons appear at the bottom part of your screen, which now can be conveniently used to navigate. I'm more of a gestures person myself, so I'll get it back to gestures, but if you please, you can absolutely set this system navigation type. The next option is how you can change the home screen transition effect. So as you can see, you can see the current animation. In order to change it, you gotta make the shrink and swipe like that with your 2 fingers. And among the available options, choose the transitions and choose whatever animations you like most. There are quite a few options and animations to choose from. I'll go with page transition. Then just get back to the home screen, and as you can see, the changes were successfully applied. So the final tip is the smallest and quickest one, is how you can enable the battery percentage to be shown at the status bar. So, in order to do that, you will need to once again launch settings, then enter the battery category. In here, go for the battery percentage and choose whether you would like to have your percentage next to the battery icon like that, or perhaps inside the battery icon. Alrighty, so that will be it, not only for the last tip, but for this video in general. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.